Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dropped 0.3% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw a minor drop of 0.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The gold dropped 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.5% in the last session after a 1.1% intra-session dip. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
US stocks ended lower, with United Health down sharply and technology shares easing as investors awaited Friday's jobs report. The S&P 500 Technology Index fell 0.2% after hitting a record closing high, when all three major US stock indexes also notched closing highs. Bitcoin dominance, a measure of how much the crypto market's total value belongs to BTC, has rebounded as the asset hit a six-figure all-time high, while most altcoins failed to shadow its gains. Bitcoin dominance reached 57%. The euro rallied against the dollar as French government bonds stabilized a day after the collapse of the French government, while Bitcoin galloped to a record past $100,000 as investors cheered the nomination of a pro-cryptocurrency head to run the US Securities and Exchange Commission.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar, showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.